everyone, welcome to my channel. And if you love tech unboxings and simple tips, you are in the right place. So in today's video we are going to fix a very common issue in the UMANG app. The error message says it looks like you don't have permission to access the services. So if you are facing this problem, don't skip the video because I'll explain all the possible solutions step by step. So firstly, let's understand why this problem happens. So this error usually appears because your account is not fully verified, the service is not available for your state, the app is outdated, cache files are corrupted, VPN is turned on, or there is a temporary server issue. Now let's fix the problem. So firstly, update the app. For this, open the Play Store app. Now at the bottom, tap on the search icon and search for the app. Now update it. If not, after this, go back to the home page and open the settings app. Scroll down and click on the apps option. Now click on the app. Tap on storage and cache. Tap on clear cache. Now go back to the home page. If the issue is still there, you can also try clear data, but remember you will need to log in again. Now re-log in your account. So sometimes the session expires, so log out and log in again using your registered mobile number. Make sure your mobile number is linked with Aadhaar if the service requires verifications. Now turn off VPN. So if you are using a VPN, turn it off immediately. Government services apps may block access if they detect VPN or suspicious location changes. And check service eligibility. So some services are state specific. If you are trying to access a service not available in your region, this error may appear. And switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Also turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds and turn it off again. And if nothing works, it could be a temporary service issue. In that case, wait for some time and try again later. Final tip: always keep your app updated and make sure your profile details are complete inside the app. So yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.